Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is day 40 of our Binance update, Binance MXC and 3 commas update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go straight over to see how those accounts are getting on. So we've got the old calculator up. So let's add them up real quick. One spot 299, and we'll add what the Binance total is currently on, which is one spot 139, we'll call it. So that gives us 2.438. So if we minus 0.638, that gives us a total of 1.8 exactly. I knew it was going to be exact there. Obviously, I saw the the 3/8. But yeah, so 1.8, guys. So we're 0.8 of a Bitcoin up now. So only 0.2 of a Bitcoin to go. So yeah, like I said, very pleased about that. Obviously, you know, we added a little bit extra Bitcoin on day 31, but obviously altcoins got hammered as of day 31 for a few days, so what I actually had was more Bitcoin to basically get more Bitcoin's worth of alts to get hammered. So but obviously that works to our benefit when the alts go up, because now we've got more Bitcoin's worth of alts to go up. So we're at 1.8, so yeah, very pleased about that. I haven't actually done any trading on these accounts, just the bots have been doing their thing. So at the moment we're in $1,600 worth of tether, and if we go over to the 3 commas and refresh this, yeah, you can see the bots have been ticking away. Today's profit, a little bit of profit, total profit near $600. The bots all doing their thing, as you can see, taking profits on the way on this move up. So yeah, it's good to see. It's all working nicely. 0.2 more Bitcoin to go. Obviously over here, you guys know my favorite altcoins, KSM, Kusama and Dot, basically all part of the Polkadot. I don't know which way. Had you say it Polkadot or Polkadot? It's spelt Polkadot, but I always kind of known it as Polkadot. But yeah, either way, that ecosystem, guys, a number of these coins are involved in that ecosystem. Now, I believe that ecosystem is going to be the future. That ecosystem is going to solve the scaling Ethereum problem. And it's basically going to be up and running pretty soon. And I think it is, if we have a new hype cycle, a new Bitcoin, a new crypto bull run, I think this Polkadot ecosystem, these will be the standout basically achievers, the coins that have the Ethereum and XRP type gains of the previous hype cycle. So there you go, guys. That is the end of it. 1.8 up, 0.2 to go. Thanks for listening, guys, and I will speak to you guys later on today with actually the Monday full update on all the 27 altcoins that we've been tracking for the past 7 or 8 weeks. So thanks for listening, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.